A 5-year-old was shot while riding in a car. The shooting happened in Mobile on Farnell Drive back in February. The man who police say fired those shots was in court today. Gabby Easterwood was there for Reginald Pryor's hearing. She is joining us live from Government Plaza. Gabby?
Well, Devin, Reginald Pryor was seen in Judge Moore's courtroom, and we did find out that they did find probable cause in this case and that it will be going to a grand jury. Now, as for the actual shooting, we did learn some new details. Reginald Pryor being heard today for 6 charges, 2 counts of shooting into an occupied vehicle and 4 counts of attempted murder. New details revealing Pryor is accused of shooting into not 1, but 2 cars. The first being the one we were originally aware of, the red Malibu, but now a blue Dodge is in the mix. Police say the blue Dodge had physical evidence of bullet holes. The red Malibu held the victim, little 5-year-old DeMarcus Austin Jr. He was shot in the back of the head and his right thigh. He was immediately put into intensive care. Corporal Coleman, the officer testifying, says they were able to obtain surveillance footage from the home where the red Malibu was parked. In the video, Coleman said you can clearly see a gray car pull up to the intersection the home sits on, and a black man exited and began shooting into the 2 parked cars. Evidence proving 15 shots were fired, all from the same gun. Pryor originally said he had nothing to do with the incident, but after seeing the video, he said Austin Sr. had been sending him threats. We spoke to a family member of DeMarcus Austin Sr., and he says it all began on Facebook. A day before the shooting was the birthday of a woman who had lost her life on Farnell Drive in 2020. DeMarcus made a post honoring that woman's memory. The family member tells us Pryor commented a laughing emoji, taunting him. That's when a virtual fight broke out, which ended with Pryor telling Austin he was going to get him before he could. This goes in line with what Mobile police told us shortly after the shooting, saying it was all in retaliation. Now, that family member also told us that little DeMarcus Austin Jr. is still in the hospital, but he is responsive and is doing fine mentally. But physically, he has a long road of recovery ahead. Reporting live in downtown Mobile, I'm Gabby Easterwood, WKRG News 5.